The Honda Goldwing has long been a symbol of touring excellence, blending comfort, power, and technology in one legendary package. For 2025, Honda pushes the limits once again with the introduction of the Goldwing GCT. The GCT badge stands for Grand Comfort Tourer, and it represents a refined evolution of this iconic machine. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a two-wheeled luxury cruiser built for the open road. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, its design, performance, features, and what makes it one of the most advanced touring motorcycles of its generation. Refined design, touring with elegance. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Goldwing GCT, you can see that Honda focused on elegance, aerodynamics, and functionality. The design has been subtly updated with sharper lines, improved LED lighting, and enhanced wind protection. A wider front fairing and newly contoured mirrors help reduce turbulence at high speeds, while still maintaining the recognizable Goldwing profile. The color options for 2025 include bold, premium finishes like pearl nightshade blue, metallic crimson, and the stunning titanium silver matte, giving riders a chance to personalize their luxury machine. The bodywork flows seamlessly, with integrated luggage compartments and a larger passenger backrest, enhancing both comfort and aesthetics. Engine and performance, power meets smoothness. Under the sleek body of the Goldwing GCT lies Honda's trusted 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine. For 2025, this engine has been refined for smoother torque delivery and slightly improved fuel efficiency. While the performance figures remain close to the previous model, producing around 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque, the ride feels noticeably more refined thanks to revised ECU mapping and smoother DCT gear shifts. Yes, the dual-clutch transmission, DCT, is back, and this time it's smarter than ever. With 7-speed automatic and manual modes, the GCT adapts to your riding style effortlessly, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain passes. Technology and connectivity, touring in the digital age. Technology is one of the strongest suits of the Goldwing GCT. The 2025 model comes equipped with a new 12.3-inch TFT display, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Riders can connect their smartphones, access navigation, play music, or even answer calls directly through the interface. The system also supports voice commands via a built-in microphone and headset integration. New for this year is Honda Ride Connect, a proprietary app that allows remote monitoring of your bike, including tire pressure, fuel level, GPS tracking, and maintenance alerts. The Bluetooth and USB-C connections have been improved for faster pairing and more reliable charging on long tours. Comfort and ergonomics, built for endless miles. The core philosophy behind the Goldwing GCT is long-distance comfort. Honda has taken feedback from touring riders and refined almost every touch point. The seats are now constructed with memory foam and offer 3-stage heating for both rider and passenger. The foot pegs are repositioned slightly for a more relaxed leg position, and adjustable lumbar support ensures all-day comfort. The GCT also comes with electronic suspension adjustment, allowing you to switch between ride modes like Tour, Sport, and Comfort, each one tailoring suspension preload and damping for road conditions. The electronically adjustable windscreen offers improved coverage, reducing fatigue during long rides. Safety features, intelligent protection. Touring means spending a lot of time on various road conditions, and Honda knows that safety is paramount. The 2025 Goldwing GCT comes with a comprehensive suite of rider aids, including traction control, cornering ABS, and hill start assist. What's new this year is advanced adaptive cruise control, using radar sensors to maintain safe distances and adjust speed dynamically, perfect for long stretches of highway. The integrated blind spot detection and lane change alerts are a welcome addition to the safety arsenal. And of course, the signature airbag system in the front fairing remains exclusive to the Goldwing series, providing a unique layer of protection in the event of a collision. Storage and touring features, designed for the journey. No touring bike is complete without practical storage and thoughtful touring additions. The Goldwing GCT offers over 60 liters of storage space across its saddlebags and top case. For 2025, the top case has been redesigned to accommodate two full-face helmets more easily and features a new soft-close mechanism. Honda also includes a premium audio system with surround sound optimization, perfect for those long rides with your favorite music. Keyless ignition, push-button locking compartments, and a tire pressure monitoring system are just a few of the many features designed to make your journey seamless and enjoyable. Conclusion: the ultimate touring experience. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It proves that even after decades of innovation, the Goldwing still leads the pack in touring luxury, comfort, and performance. With cutting-edge technology, refined comfort, and thoughtful design, the GCT stands tall as the ultimate long-distance touring motorcycle. Whether you're chasing the horizon or exploring the backroads, the Goldwing GCT is your perfect partner for the ride. For those who demand the best from their touring experience, Honda has once again delivered.